Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag issue in Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So guys, if your phone is lagging, so all you guys have to do just go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of device care. Just tap on device care. So in this section, we have storage option and memory option. Just first of all, go to storage and see if your phone storage is full or not. If your phone storage is full, so just delete all your unnecessary files and then go back. Now after that guys, just click to memory. So in this section we have a clean now 687 MB file. So just tap on clean now so that the unnecessary files will be cleaning. So as you see, all the unnecessary file is clean now and your phone lagging issue will be solved through this method. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.